This is the Copal flip alarm clock model RP205. Somewhat rare, and also I should say one of the later ones done by Copal. More likely from the early 80s than the late 70s. It's got a completely different type of drive compared to the other ones. I fully restored it. The drive was completely stuck. I made it go again, I lubricated it, and as you can hear or can't hear, it's pretty silent, so that's a good thing. Let me just turn on the alarm. So again, slightly annoying, but that's what that's supposed to do. It's supposed to wake you up. As you can see, the light is working perfectly. You'd think it's discoloured, but it's not. Open it up, and on the inside it's exactly the same colour. So, you know, it's used, slightly used, some signage, some sign of usage. Let me just quickly shoot some video of the bottom of it and the label. As you notice, it says 24 Timmer. Probably some kind of Scandinavian label. Probably came from Sweden or Norway, or I don't know. Well, nice clock in a very good working condition from the heydays Copal. There you go.